First of all, write in the comment box, do you support promotion of students to higher classes without taking any examination? And now let's begin our video. Amid all the speculation going around CBSE board exam 2021 and false information circulating around exam datasheet on social media, Union Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank and Dr. Saniyam Bhardwaj stated that the CBSE class 10th and 12th board exam 2020 will not be cancelled. Nishank also made it clear that the competitive exam including JEE and NEET 2020 will also be held. Meanwhile, the Central Board of Secondary Education issued a notification stating it clear that any decision on CBSE class 10th and class 12th exam dates will be communicated at the appropriate time through the official website. In this video, you will know about the key pointers from the latest live session addressed by Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank on CBSE board exams. First of all, about practical exams. Practical examination will be conducted in school labs when the normal classes will resume. The board is yet to issue a notification in this regard. An external examination will be deputed for practical examination. Alternative option for practical: interacting with students, teachers and parents. The Education Minister said that if students are not able to go to schools for practical exam, alternate option will be given. Now CBSE datasheet. CBSE datasheet for class 10th and 12th board examination will be published after some time. The datasheet will be prepared only after the consultation with the stakeholders. However, exams will be held in such a way that students will get more gap days. Now exam centers. There will be examination centers, but there will be no home center. In the wake of COVID-19, only 12 students will be seated in an exam room. Now examination pattern. Examination pattern will be the same as the sample paper 2021 issued by CBSE. Schools reopening. Students will return to school soon, said the Education Minister. At least 17 states have reopened their schools with minimal attendance. Other states will decide based on the pandemic situation, he stated. JEE 2021. During the live web session with students and teachers, the Education Minister hinted at increasing number of attempts for JEE Main from 2 to 3 or 4. We are considering the suggestions to increase the number of attempts for JEE Main from 2 to 3 or 4, Nishank said, adding that there is no plan to cancel the exam. NEET 2021. Education Minister stated that there is no plan to cancel the medical entrance exam. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you for watching this video.